Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you will have to come in your web browser and you need to simply search for tv.youtube.com. Afterwards, you will have to simply log in into your credentials, and then you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and come in your settings. Now, when you are in your settings, you will be by default on this membership page, where in the right hand section, it will show you all of your memberships, including NBA League Pass. So right next to it, you will be able to see the cancel option. So once you click on the cancel option, it will show you yes cancel in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So you need to simply click on the yes cancel option, and this way you will be able to cancel NBA League Pass on YouTube TV very easily. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.